Good morning, children. Saira. So you all are ready with your books, pen? Okay, let's start. Chapter 6, Factorization of Algebraic Expressions. So here the question is factorize. Seeing the question, you should be able to find out which formula is applicable. First one is x cube minus 8y cube. So which formula is applicable? A cube minus b cube, right? So try to do the calculations mentally and directly write the answer. Our first term is x and our second term is 8y the whole cube is cube of 2y the whole cube. So first bracket will be x minus 2y, right? Second one will be x square, square of first term, x square, plus, then multiply the two terms, x into 2y, so it will come 2xy, plus 2y the whole square, 4y square. So like that, if the numbers are simpler, try to do calculations mentally. Second one is m square minus 289y square. So here formula, which formula is used? Difference of two squares. M square is square of m and 289 is square of 17y square. So it is 17y the whole square. So the factors are m plus 17y, m minus 17y. So check the answers, children. First one, x cube minus 8y cube. First bracket, x minus 2y. The whole bracket multiply with x square plus 2xy plus 4y square. Next one is m square minus 289y square. So it is m plus 17y, the whole bracket multiply with m minus 17y. So seeing the question, you should be able to find out which formula is used, because head question will be factorize. Let's start with practice set 6.3. Fifth question, 8p cube minus 27 upon p cube. So 8p cube, now 8 is cube of 2, so it is 2p the whole cube, minus 27 upon p cube. 27 is cube of 3, so 3 upon p the whole cube. Which formula is used? A cube minus b cube. So write the formula. A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b, the whole bracket multiply with a square plus ab plus b square. The next step, what we will write? 2p the whole cube minus 3 upon p the whole cube. First term is 2p, second term is 3 upon p. So our first factor is 2p minus 3p. Write in bracket. Second one factor, that is we are using square bracket. First term is a square, so it is 2p the whole square plus 2p into 3 upon p plus 3 upon p the whole square. Now we will simplify. 2p minus 3p is our first bracket. Second one is 2p the whole square. Now square of 2p the whole square, it is 4p square, plus, now here you see the calculation, children, 2p into 3 upon p. So p will get cancelled, that is p will get divided, and what is remaining is 2 3s are, so 6, plus next term is 3 upon p the whole square. So square of 3, 9 upon p square. So these are the factors, 2p minus 3 upon p, the whole bracket multiply with 4p square plus 6 plus 9 upon p square. Seventh question is 64x cube minus 729y cube. 64 is cube of 4. So we can say it is 4x the whole cube minus 729y cube. 729 is cube of 9. So 9y the whole cube. So which formula is applicable? A cube minus b cube. So first you will write the formula. A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b, the whole bracket multiply with a square plus ab plus b square. Now 64 is cube of 4, so we will write 4x the whole cube minus 9y the whole cube. Our first term is 4x, our second term is 9y, and we will substitute them in the formula a minus b. So our first factor is 4x minus 9y the whole bracket multiply with, now next one, a square. So we will write 4x the square, 4x the whole square plus 4x multiply with 9y. So it is understood, two brackets are there and no sign between. So it is 4x into 2 into 9y. 4x multiply with 9y plus 9y the whole square. Now we will simplify. 4x minus 9y the whole bracket multiply with 4x the whole square, square of 4, 16. So 16x square plus, now here you are going to multiply. 4 9s are 36. So 36xy. And next one is 9y the whole square. Square of 9, 81. So it is 81y square. So answer is 4x minus 9y the whole bracket multiply with 16x square plus 36xy plus 81y square. Next question, seventh one, 64x cube minus 729y cube. Now 64 is cube of 4, 4x the whole cube. 729 is cube of 9, so 9y the whole cube. First thing we will write the formula. A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b the whole bracket multiply with a square plus ab plus b square. So 64x cube is cube of 4x. So write 4x the whole cube minus 9y the whole cube. Our first term is 4x and our second term is 9y. So our first factor is 4x minus 9y. Then the next factor, so that we have to write in brackets. A square, so it is 4x the whole square. So 4x the whole square plus first term into second term. So plus 4x multiply with 9y plus 9y the whole square. Now simplify. Our first factor 4x minus 9y the whole bracket multiply with square of 4x, it is 16x square. Then we are going to multiply the next terms. 4 multiply with 9, 36 xy. So plus 36 xy plus square of 9y, 9y the whole square, it is 81y square. So answer is 4x minus 9y the whole bracket multiply with 16x square plus 36xy plus 81y square. Next question is 16a cube minus 128b cube. Now let's check. Is 16 a cube of any number? Is 16 a cube? No. Is 128 a cube? 128 a cube? No. So 128 is not a cube. Then what you are going to do? We will find if any factor is common. Now both are even numbers, right? So you can say 2 is common. And if you will say 2 is common, you will take 2 as common factor. Uncommon in the bracket will be 8. 8a cube plus 128 it is. So 2 common 64 upon b cube. This way also you say we can do. 8 is also a cube of 2, 64. But observe again properly children. 8 and 64. 64 is multiple of 8. So we are having a common factor here also. 8 is common. So here you can say 8 is common. Already we have taken 2 common. So directly we can say 16 is a common factor. Right? So that way also we have to check. So now we will take out 16 as common factor. If 16 is common factor, uncommon factor will be now a cube minus 8 upon b cube, right? It is a cube minus 8 upon b cube. So first thing what is we will do, write formula. A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b the whole bracket multiply with a square plus ab plus b square. Write the formula correctly, children. So once we have got 16 as a common factor, we will write 16 and uncommon factors in bracket. And a cube, it is a cube of a, right? Minus 8. 8 is cube of 2, so we can say 2b the whole cube. One factor 16 we have got common. Now our first term is a and second term is 2 upon b. So we are going to write in the formula, substitute the values in the formula in place of a minus b. So a minus 2 upon b. And then the next factor, a square plus, what you are going to write is a square plus 2 into 2 upon b plus 2 upon b the whole square. Now simplify. 16 multiply by a minus 2 upon b the whole bracket multiply with, now simplify, square of a square. Then the next one you have to simplify, multiply. Now a multiply with 2, so in the numerator you are having 2a, in denominator you are having b. So plus 2a upon b. Now 2 upon b the whole square, square of 2, 4 upon b square. So factors are 16 a minus 2 upon b the whole bracket multiply with a square plus 2a upon b plus 4 upon b square. Now next question, it is practice set 6.3, simplify. Now here it is not given factorize, here it is simplify. So seeing the question, we will find out which formula is to be applied and accordingly we will simplify. First one is x plus y the whole cube minus x minus y the whole cube. Now seeing the question, you may remember in the 5th chapter also we have done expansion chapter where a plus b the whole cube minus then a minus b the whole cube. So we were using the formula of a plus b the whole cube. But here we will not be doing that. Here we will be using the formula of a cube minus b cube. So we will observe properly x plus y the whole cube. So this is nothing but in place of a cube, right? And next one is minus x minus y, so that is b cube. We will be using the formula of a cube minus b cube. Our first term is x plus y and our second term is x minus y. So here we are not writing the formula as such. We know the formula, so based on the formula we will substitute the values using the formula a cube minus b cube. So first factor is a minus b. So children, brackets you know now which brackets we are using and all. Our first term a is x plus y, so we will be writing it in bracket x plus y minus then b, so again in bracket x minus y. Close the brackets. Then second factor, that is second bracket, that is a square. So in place of a we are having x plus y the whole square plus a b. So in place of a we are having x plus y the whole bracket multiply with x minus y plus x minus y the whole square. So we have substituted the value in the formula a cube minus b cube. Now next step we will simplify them. So first factor we will simplify, x plus y, minus sign is there children. So minus sign is there and we are opening the bracket, sign of the inside terms will get changed, opposite. So x is positive, it will become minus x, and y is minus y will become plus y. Minus x plus y. So this is our first factor. Now second one, in the brackets only you will be writing x plus y the whole square. So here we are using the formula of a plus b the whole square. Now what is the formula a plus b the whole square? A square plus 2ab plus b square. So here also x square plus 2xy plus y square. Plus, now next terms you see, x plus y the whole bracket multiplied x minus y. It is based on the formula a plus b multiplied a minus b. A square minus b square. So it is a square, and we are having in its place x. So x square minus y square plus x minus y the whole square. Here which formula is used? A minus b the whole square. X square. So you are going to write x square minus 2xy plus y square. So first step, we have substituted the values. So we are here simplifying. Now here I have written this step in green. Same step I am carrying forward in the next slide. So it is repeated steps. In exam or while solving, you will not repeat. You write only once, children. So same step, children, I have written here, so that you will come to know how to do the calculation, and you write the step once. So first factor, x plus y minus x plus y. So simplify, x minus x will get cancelled. So what is remaining? Y plus y, 2y. When we say cancelled means x minus x, 0. So cancelled is same way to do, x minus x, 0. And what is remaining? Y plus y, 2y. Now second bracket calculation. Now here in this bracket you count how many x squares are there. Here one x square is there, 2x square, 3x square. So what we are doing is like terms will be added. So x square plus x square plus x square, 3x square. So like terms will get added. Then 2xy minus 2xy will become 0. Then here it is y square, here it is minus y square. So y square minus y square, 0. Only one y square is remaining. So what we have got is 2y the whole bracket multiply with 3x square plus y square. Now you are going to multiply these brackets. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. Then we are having x square y. So it is 2y multiplied with 3x square, it is 6x square y. And then 2y multiplied with y square, it is 2y cube. So final answer is 6x square y plus 2y cube. We are here multiplying the first 2y with 3x square, then 2y with y square. So this is our final answer. Now this is an assignment question which you have to do, and is given in the form of activities so that you all should be able to do. First one, a cube minus 1 upon a cube. So when we say a cube, it is cube of a. So here what will come, children? A cube minus 1 upon a cube. Now 1 is cube of 1. 1 upon a. So it is like this, a cube minus 1 upon a cube. Our first term is a, our second term is 1 upon a. So our first bracket will be, what is the first bracket? A minus b. So in this place it will come a minus 1 upon a, right? And then the next factor, it is multiplied by, first term is a square. So here it will come a square, right? Plus ab. So that is a multiplied with 1 upon a. plus 1 upon a the whole square. Now we have to simplify. First bracket we have got a minus 1 upon a. Second one is a square, so it will come a square. Now here children you have to simplify. A divided by a, you will get plus 1, and 1 upon a the whole square, it is 1 upon a square. So this is the way you are going to find out. This is the answer you will be getting it. And very important thing is children, you have to write the formula on which formula it is based on. Substitute the values in the formula, simplify. So thank you children. We will continue in the next session. Sai Ram.